Hello everyone! Today we will learn about the Filipino Tagalog diba, diba, and no. Diba in English is right, or isn't it? It means that you and the speaker know about something and he or she just reassuring himself by asking you the question. Diba is an alternative spelling of the Tagalog words hindi ba. Hindi ba. Diba may be placed at the start or end of question. For example, maganda siya, diba? Maganda siya, diba? Diba maganda siya? Diba maganda siya? Pogi ako, diba? Pogi ako, diba? Taga Manila ka, diba? Taga Manila ka, diba? No, it is the same meaning with diba, but it is usually placed at the end of the question. And no in English, isn't it? For example, ang ganda niya, no? Ang ganda niya, no? Ang galing niya sumayaw, no? Ang galing niya sumayaw, no? The above two example, you can also replace the no with diba. It's both okay. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.